Hey guys, I wanted to do a video today talking about a really cool technique that I use with my clients in order to give further boost to their conversion rates. And that is the technique of using interactive demos. Interactive demos are probably the closest thing you have to actually giving a taste of your product. It really brings together the core value and the core attributes of your product right to your website, and it is absolutely worth doing. So let's check it out. Hello guys, I'm Yarin. I help startup companies grow and scale their marketing efforts, and today we're talking about interactive demos. Now, what is interactive demos? Well, interactive demos is one of the major techniques of product-led marketing. Product-led growth is all about leveraging your product in order to grow your business. In the case of interactive demos, it helps to explain and convey to your users the how of your product as opposed to the why. All too often on our websites, we showcase the different values, we explain the what, we explain the why, but it's incredibly hard to explain the how portion, how your product delivers that value, what the user experience is like, what do you get, what are the core features, like how do you actually make it happen. And by showcasing interactive demos, which are demos you can actually play around with and go back and forth and actually click on the different buttons of the product, you can actually convey a real notion of what it's like to use the product. Many of my clients who have implemented this, upon initial tests, were seeing over 75% uplift in CTR when putting it on their homepage. That is CTR to the sales page, to the demo page. They saw a nice boost of around 60% lift in form fields by MQLs, etc. Another cool aspect of interactive demos is that they help illustrate the value right there and then without ever requiring any form of sign-up, third-party authentication or friction. You just one click and you're in an interactive demo of the product, showing you firsthand what's it gonna be like when you actually sign up or purchase the product. Now, interactive product demos are not a new technique actually. It's been used by some incredible companies for a while now. Companies like ClickUp, companies like Datadog, like Twilio, Demandbase, Drift, and many more. But it's really gaining traction this day and age with up and coming and new products because it is such a great and efficient way to drive value and really showcase firsthand the value your product delivers. Furthermore, it is an engaging experience, so it really helps you with your core website metrics like bounce rates, metrics like time on page, and of course it is going to improve your core KPIs and your core funnels. Many more users are going to sign up for the product after experiencing a product demo. So I really would encourage you to check it out and implement this at your startup companies. One tool that I recommend and I have heard great things on from various clients and I've experienced it myself is a tool called Arcade. It really helps create these interactive demos in such an easy to use manner. You don't have to know any technical skills. It's like frictionless implementation and super easy to use. Now, before we close this video, I'd like to talk about some best practices. As you know, I am an avid proponent of starting small and sort of testing the waters and see the reaction from your audience. So what I would do, I would sign up for Arcade or other solutions that you may like, and really take the core functionality of the product, the core feature that's like the best selling aha feature, and create a product tour based on that. Next up, I would take and position this interactive demo at a prominent place somewhere on the homepage. And once done with this, I would have a clear CTA to either schedule a product demo or a live demo in this case, if you're a sales-led product. If you're a service-led, I would have a CTA at the end, sign up now. Once I saw some positive results, I would increase it and actually create a repository of interactive product demos on my website with the key features of the product, the key use cases, meaning if my product is a verticalized product, meaning it can serve specific niches or ICPs in different industries, I would create designated demo for that. For example, if I'm a security product, I would create an interactive demo with a specific use case to, say, the financial industry or to the healthcare industry. Segmenting and personalizing it in such a way would ensure some incredible uplifts in conversion rate and in your core metrics. So hopefully you'll gain some knowledge of this video and implement interactive demos at your company. And if you're experiencing some great success with it, if you think it doesn't work so well with your audience or it works well with your audience, comment down below and let me know, and keep optimizing.